Alright everybody, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show some tools I got from Amazon over the holiday season here. First up I got this pulley holder, OTC pulley holder. And none of these, I haven't used any of them yet. They're all ones that I've been looking at picking up for a while and just kind of waited till the holiday season here. Comes with a whole variety of pins for holding all your pulleys on your vehicle, mostly automotive stuff. There's some stuff I believe I can use on the tractors and stuff at work and skid loaders and all that. So they just screw right into the ends. Those holes are threaded. They thread right in. So you got a whole variety of different sizes of pins here. So hopefully it'll cover everything I need. Because I did a water pump on her Chevy 2500 at work, and I had to make up my own holder because I didn't have one. So now I do. Hopefully that'll come in handy. And all of these tools, I'm just kind of quick to a little brief overview since I haven't used any of them. I can't really attest for their strength or anything. They look good. They all had good reviews when I looked at them up. So maybe later, after I use them a little bit, I can do a updated video or something on it if people want it. So the part number for this is a 6613. 6613 is that part number. Next up, I got this wrench holder. Ernst, it's a wrench tower. I'm just going to use it to set up here on my workbench at home. Looks like it's nice and heavy duty. Hold 24 wrenches here, both sides. Nice little sturdy feet it's got on there. I believe those can come off. I haven't really looked too close at it, but other people were saying online that the feet you can actually take off. They said they just kind of snap off, and then you can put it down in your toolbox if you want to. I don't have room in my drawers, so I'm not going to be doing that, but there's that part number is up at the top, 5224. Next up, got this little magnetic wristband. I don't know how good it is or anything. It's just a little stock and stuff I got. I guess it's a magnetic wristband. It holds screws and wrenches and all sorts of stuff. My uncle actually got one too, and he put it on and was walking around the house with a bunch of spoons on his arm, so it does work. So there's that. I don't know if there's a part number on this thing or not. Not that I can really see. But these are all off Amazon. I'll put links down in the description for each one of these, and if you want to check them out, I'd appreciate it. Next up, we got these long torque spit socket set from Nico. These are the, as you can see, the T10 to T40. I believe that's the part number there, the 180A. So I have some Allen, long reach Allen sockets from Harbor Freight, but they didn't have any of these torque spit sockets, so I wanted to get a set of these. 3/8 drive, so it should be helpful tool. I haven't even opened it up yet, so I can't show you the package. I suppose I could open it up quick. Well, let's move on for now, and maybe I'll open it up later. Here's just an exhaust hanger tool, just to help remove the little rubber exhaust hangers. Haven't had one before, so I guess it's something you really don't need, but it comes in handy. So that's from Lisle. 38350 is the part number on that. Seems like it's pretty good and heavily made. And the last thing I got was a power brake bleeder. Motive Products Power Brake Bleeder. So you fill it up with your brake fluid and then attach this hose to another part that you put on the master cylinder, which I'll show you in a minute. It just threads onto that part, and then you can just pump it up by hand, and that'll pressurize your brake system for bleeding brakes or doing brake fluid flushes, stuff like that. So I've never had one like that. I've tried to use the vacuum gauge ones before, and they just don't work. I can't ever get them to bleed right. So usually I just end up doing it the old-fashioned way. One person steps on the brake, the other person runs the bleeder, but it can take a while if you're doing a flush. This is the GM adapter, since that's the majority of what I work on. Yeah, here's the model 1108 GM adapter. So that'll just thread right down onto my master cylinder, and that end will screw into the end of the bleeder. A couple gaskets in there, and then I also got a this is a universal one. Let me open it up here. Put it off to the side. So this is a universal one. So that'll kind of sit down on your master cylinder, and this chain will go up underneath, and then you'll have to hook it with that. So that'll come up through here, you'll bolt that on, and you hook that through the chain, and you tighten this down over your master cylinder, and that'll hold it there. So that's kind of a universal one I picked up if you need it. You got that. Otherwise you can get the other kits for whatever type of vehicles you're working on. It seemed like they had quite a few options for all the major car brands and stuff. That should be pretty much everything. So yeah, that was just a little quick overview of what I all got for Christmas here. Yeah, if anybody wants to see anything more in depth on any of these tools, like I said, I haven't used any of these yet, but I hopefully should be pretty shortly here. So then if anybody wants an updated video on anything, just put it down in the comments. I'll try to do what I can. So I just wanted to thank everybody for watching, and check out some of my other videos if you want other tool reviews or any other farming type videos, I guess. Starting to try to make more videos here. So alright, see you next time.